Hello friends, welcome to our video on vectors in two dimensions. You can see the question on the board. Given that P is equal to 5I hat minus 3J hat and Q is equal to 4I hat plus 7J hat. Find the scalar M and scalar N such that 2I hat plus 3J hat is equal to MP plus NQ. Our method is to begin from the last part of the question. 2I hat plus 3J hat is equals to MP plus NQ. So if you replace P with 5I hat minus 3J hat, and then also the same thing to Q, that is 4I hat minus 7 plus 7J hat. So, and then we expand the bracket to have 5M I hat minus 3MJ hat, then plus 4M I hat, and then plus 7NJ hat. That will give us the possibility of collecting like them. Let's bring all the i's together. So we have 5m plus 4n then of I hat, then plus 7n minus 3m all of j hat. So if we now collect all the i's together and all the j's together, let's begin with I. The I column, we have 2 as the constant, is equals to 5m plus 4n. Let's call that equation 1. Then let's go to j. We have 3 as a constant, is equals to 7. Okay, let's look at it as negative 3m plus 7. Negative 3m plus 7n. Then that is equation 2. So if we decide to make, let's say you are going to make n the subject, so n in equation 1 by taking additive inverse of 5m, that will give us 2 minus 5m all over 4, and we call that equation 3, and we have to substitute that into equation 2. Yes, so from equation 3 we now pick the quantity there and we substitute for n in equation 2. So we have 3 is equal to minus 3n plus 7n. Where we have n, we now replace it with 2 minus 5n all over 4. Now if we expand this, we are going to have negative 3n plus 14 minus 35n all over 4. Now multiply all 3 by 4 to get 12 is equals to minus 12m plus 14 minus 35m. So if we collect terms, we are going to have 12 minus 14 is equals to minus 47m. So if we find out 12 minus 14 is negative 2, which is equal to negative 47m. Automatically m will be equal to 2 over 47. Now substituting what m is in equation 3, then our n will now be equal to 2 minus 5 into 2 minus over 47 all over 4. So that we simplify this to have 4n minus 47 times 2 is 94 minus 10 all over 47. So at this point 94 minus 10 is 84. Let's see where it will take us to. Let's cross multiply this and see where we are going to be. 4 times 47 is 188, and which is equal to 84. Now let's look for what to cancel out. 4 will break this down to give us 21. 4 here, this will give us 4 into 18 give us 4, remainder 2, 4 into 28 is 7. So our n is equals to 21 over 47. So from what we've done so far, our m is equal to 2 over 47 and our n is equal to 21 over 47. Thank you so much.